Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So by the title, as you guys can tell, today your girl is back with my reasons why I decided to comb out my almost 5-year-old locks. Now before we get into the video, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss the upload from your girl. Alright, so let's jump right in. Okay, so y'all already know I got my notes on my phone, so let me go ahead and pull them out with all the spill. Alright, so big question, why are my locks combed out? So there are two reasons. I had interlock damage. When I say interlock damage, I mean that wherever the knot was, let me see how I can explain this in simple terms. So when I say interlock damage, I'm saying that the knot from the loctician interlocking my locks was so constricted and tight in between all of my locks, and they created like a diamond shape / snakehead look to my locks, and whenever I would hold them up, the lock would just hang. I will be inserting in videos and pictures so y'all can see what I'm talking about, just in case you missed my last videos when I talked about that issue, okay? And also there was a need for change, but there is going to come a time to where they are going to have to go. Mine was due to improper interlocking technique, and it created interlocking damage. My locks were very tender. They started to hurt because of how long they were and how heavy and thick they were, so it was time for them to go. All right, so how long did it take me to comb my locks? Y'all, it took me 7 long agonizing days, okay? I did take one day off because I had to travel, but y'all, the process was so long, so annoying, and I just wanted to get the scissors so many times to cut them. I would not recommend anybody with long locks to comb them out. Just cut them, save yourself some time, and give yourself patience because y'all gonna need it. It took me so long. Like, I was so over it after getting the back row done. Y'all, it was a process, and not to mention my fingers hurting me so bad, y'all. Like, pointer finger and thumb, I stabbed this one up so many times. Look, very taxing on the spirit, very taxing on the mind. It was just like, do I even want to do this? Do I just want to go and get the back interlocked and just keep them? But y'all, it was long, and mind y'all, I do have 63 locks, long, thick, some of them thicker than others. Okay, so the next question is, how long did it take per lock? So I tried to get it done in 30 minutes, which I was really delusional when it came to that. So it took me an hour and a half for some. The thicker ones took me 2 hours. And look, even if I put on a TV show, I wasn't even watching it because I couldn't even get in tune with the TV show. I was just combing. And it was, like I said, it tried me so many times. All right, y'all? It tried me so many times. Lord. What did I use to comb my locks? So I used a lice comb, a rat tail comb with like the metal end on it, and I also used conditioner and water. Now, lots of conditioner. Like, I found the technique when you just load your hair down with the water and conditioner mixed up, it would give you so much slip and let the locks just unlock with the lice comb. So let me show you which one I got. Alright, so I'm going to link which ones that I used. One I did get from Amazon, which was this one. It really wasn't no help. It wasn't sharp enough for me. So I did use this one from Amazon. I got these two from the hair store. And this one right here tore my thumb up. And look how bent up it is. I would not advise one with these long teeth because I'm telling y'all, y'all can get stabbed up. Fingers gonna get ate up. So these are very sharp, so this does not give you the control that you need, so I would not recommend these long teeth ones. This long one, this one right here, she got the job done. Like, I was able to control and like really get in there and comb the lock out with this one. And I just use like a 360 spray bottle. The conditioner that I use, I will pop right here on the screen because I don't have it in the bathroom with me, but that's what I used. And it made the process faster than, and I also use this rat tail comb too. Got this one from Salads. I will link everything in my Amazon storefront or in the description box. But this one right here, this one was, okay. So this is what I use this comb for. I used it for the knots because the lice comb was not getting the locks out. If anything, it was causing it to be more tangled. So I was able to get the knot out with this end of the rat tail comb, which was very helpful. And that's all I did for the process. Oh, has my texture changed? I don't believe so. I feel like my texture is still the same, but I already had thin hair, but I feel like my strands are finer than what they were before. It's very soft to touch, not rough. I do have some ends that need to be trimmed, but not as bad as I thought it would be. And yeah, so last question for myself. Well, last thing I want to tell y'all, are there any regrets? At first, I was so regretful, and I immediately missed my locks so much because they were a part of me. That was my style. They grew with me, they changed with me, and it's my hair. You know how we are attached to our hair, especially black women. We attach to our hair, and I was just so hurt at first. I woke up the next morning, I'm like, no locks, and it feels so weird. Just me in a different way other than locks. I'm kind of embracing it. I'm slowly liking it again. And it's going to be a journey, I'm not going to lie. And we can go on this journey together because I will be posting, I will be uploading a lot this year when I can. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Are you considering combing out your locks? Did you comb out your locks, or are you just going to rock it out with your locks? Meet me in the comments down below and let your girl know. And I will catch y'all on my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you do not miss the upload from your girl. All right, I will catch you on my next one.